Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. What happens if you quit smoking right now? Learn about a series of amazing changes that will begin in 20 minutes after you have finished the last cigarette. While many people do not know about all the consequences of smoking, it is for certain that it does not bring anything good to health. The advertisers have successfully driven the idea of smoking into our minds over the past few decades in movies and TV shows, but fortunately, now people know the truth about its negative consequences for health and the impact on children. Of course, not all smokers want to give up their habit, but those who want may be surprised to learn what happens after you stop smoking. What happens when you stop smoking? If the cigarette is in your mouth, fix it. If you have finished it, do not drag on to the next one. If you are done with smoking right now, with your body there will be a series of amazing changes that will begin in 20 minutes after you have finished the last cigarette. The effect of smoking on health can be terrible, but the effects of getting rid of this bad habit can be phenomenal. This positive development of the benefits of getting rid of bad habits will be a better motivation than listing the negative consequences that will come if you do not give up cigarettes. And of course, without even saying the incredible sums of money that you will save. Once you quit smoking, that's what will happen to your body. After 20 minutes your blood pressure and pulse will drop, and the temperature of your hands and feet will increase. After about 8–12 hours, the level of carbon monoxide in the blood will decrease to normal, and the level of oxygen in the blood will rise to normal. After 24 hours, the risk of a heart attack will be significantly reduced. After 48 hours, the sense of smell and taste buds will be normal. In the period from 2 weeks to 3 months, blood circulation will improve, it becomes easier to walk. Coughing and wheezing will become less common. The mucus secretion will decrease, and in 3 months the lung function will be completely restored. In the period from 1 to 9 months, in addition to the advantages described above, you will get a decrease in nasal congestion and fatigue, as well as getting rid of shortness of breath. A normal function will restore the cilia, which promote mucus from the lungs. In a year, the risk of a coronary heart attack and an extensive heart attack will be halved compared to the time when you were a smoker. During the period between 5 and 15 years from the date of rejection of cigarettes, the risk of a stroke will be the same as before the start of smoking. In 10 years the probability of developing various types of cancer, including lung cancer, oral cavity, throat, esophagus, bladder, kidney and pancreas, will be significantly reduced. The risk of lung cancer will be the same as that of a non-smoker. In fact, the diet and the habit of smoking cause 60% of cancers. After 15 years, the risk of developing coronary heart disease and heart attack is set at the same level as a person who has not previously smoked. The risk of death also falls to the level that a non-smoker has. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.